Hey everyone, this is me Summi Jha and welcome back to my YouTube channel While Learning School Class 6 to Class 12. Guys, आज के वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 7 का यूनिट नंबर 3 सेक्शन नंबर 1 द गिफ्ट ऑफ कू, इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं, बट इससे पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करना है, साथ में कमेंट करके अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर से शेयर करना है कि वीडियो आपको लगी कैसी है। तो चलिए इससे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की तरफ चलते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन आंसर जो है वो आगे इसके लिखे हुए हैं। चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है हमारा फर्स्ट हमारा MCQ है। सो ये सारा क्वेश्चन के साथ जो है कॉपी पे लिखा है। तो चलिए नोटबुक की तरफ चलते हैं। तो चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन में जो हमारा A और B है, दो हमारे चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है। तो उसमें जो हमारा फर्स्ट का आंसर है यानी करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, एंड जो B है, B का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर 2 द फ्रूट ऑफ द ट्री। सो इसी के साथ ये MCQ कंप्लीट होता है। नाउ अवर सेकंड क्वेश्चन, द हवाइन बिलीव्ड गार्डियन स्पिरिट लिव्ड इन नेचर, ट्रू और फॉल्स। यानी कि सेकंड क्वेश्चन हमारा ट्रू और फॉल्स है, तो इसका आंसर ट्रू आएगा। नाउ अवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, वट वॉज उलू, वट डिड द वर्ड स्टैंड फॉर। तो यहाँ पे हमसे वर्ड का मीनिंग पूछा है कि वो क्या होता है। तो वही है, उलू वॉज द ब्रेड फ्रूट ट्री, द वर्ड मेंट टू ग्रो, इंक्रीज एंड स्प्रेड। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, द टेक्स्ट सेज ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेड फ्रूट ट्री वॉज यूजफुल टू द हवाइन्स, मेंशन एनी 3 यूजेस ऑफ द ब्रेड फ्रूट। तो यहाँ पे 3 यूजेस पूछे हैं, लेकिन आपके सामने 5 यूजेस लिखे हुए हैं। तो इसमें सब कोई 3 सिलेक्ट करके लिख सकते हैं। सम यूजेस ऑफ द ब्रेड फ्रूट्स ट्री, द ट्रंक मेड सर्फ बोर्ड, हुला ड्रम्स एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ कैनोइज एंड हाउसेस। How did now question number 5, how did the breadfruit tree spread to all the Iceland in the region? So answer is early voyagers carried the young shoots of breadfruit tree over thousands of miles to see to new land, spreading them from Iceland crossing the Pacific Ocean. Now question number 6, give one example from the text to show that Ku was a strong man. So answer is Ku was a strong man because with powerful hands, he moved huge piles of soil effortlessly, and with his long digging stick, he alone did the work of 20 people, full stop. Now question number 7, why did Ku's wife feel very sad? Why did she agree to let her husband go forever? What does this reveal about her character? So answer is Ku's wife felt very sad because Ku told her that he could help the villagers in the time of famine only if he went very far away, never to return. Ku, अब एक आपको पैसेज छोड़ करके नेक्स्ट में लिखना है। Ku's wife agreed to let her husband go forever because she could not let her family or other villagers suffer any more from the famine. She knew she had to make this sacrifice so that others could survive, so that fields were barren no more. This reveals that she was a strong and selfless woman. Now next question, question number 8, the family watched with wonder. Why were they wonderstruck? So answer is the family was wonderstruck because a plant grew from the spot where the earth had swallowed up Ku. The plant emerged from the ground in the morning and grew very swiftly into a huge tree with high branches, thousands of leaves, and hundreds of ulu, the nutritious breadfruit. Now question number 9, what is the best method to eating the breadfruit? So answer is the best method of eating the breadfruit is to roast the fruit well and remove the skin before eating it. Now question number 10, why did the breadfruit tree disappear into the ground? Is it normal for a tree to do so? So answer is the breadfruit tree disappeared into the ground when people began to grab the fruit greedily. No, it is not normal for a tree to do so, but this is a legend and it is common for legends to have supernatural element. Now question number 11. Ku spoke to his wife on 2 occasions. What did he tell her on both occasions? What do you his statement reveal about the kind of person he was? So answer is Ku spoke to his wife on 2 occasions. The first time he told her that the trunk of the tree was his body, the branches were his arms, the leaves his hands, and the fruit his head. He told her that the fruit must be roasted and its skin removed before it was eaten. The second time he told her that the new shoots around the trunk must be dug up and shared with others so that they could all have the fruit of the tree. His statements reveal that he placed other needs before his own. He was selfless and self-sacrificing. Now question number 12. Do you think it is easy to make sacrifices like Ku and his wife did? Give reason for your answer. So answer is no, it is not easy to make sacrifice like Ku and his wife. It is difficult to overlook personal gains for the sake of others. However, when needs arise, one has to make a decision. Ku and his wife did know that they were in a position to help others when no one else could. So, thought it was difficult, they chose to acknowledge their responsibility towards the community. Responsibility के spelling RESPONSIBILITY. Now question number 13. Ku offers his own life in order to save the lives of the people of his village community, and the value of caring for others can be found in the cities of today. Give reason. Answer. Such a feeling of belonging to one's community and the value of caring for others is difficult to find in the city of today. Yes, there are people who do work tirelessly for the improvement of their community, but usually the cities have demanding lifestyle which do not facilitate much social interaction. Moreover, cities bring together people from different parts of the country, different backgrounds, busy schedule, and the pressure to do well for oneself and one's family make it hard for people to participate in community welfare. Now question number 14. Put yourself in Ku's position. Do you think you would have been able to take the same step Ku took for the sake of his people? Why and why not? So answer is yes, I believe I would have taken the same step which Ku took. If I did not make the sacrifice, everyone including me would have died of starvation. However, if I made the sacrifice, it would at least ensure the survival of others. So इसी के साथ ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं वो कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. अगर आगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज होंगे तो वो यही है, मैच द फॉलोइंग, और साथ में आपका फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स बाय चूजिंग द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम दोज इन ब्रैकेट. तो यहाँ पे सब कुछ फिल है, आप एक बार जो है देख लीजिए. यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शंस आपके पास दिए हैं, जो सही है उस पर टिक लगा है और फिल भी है. साथ में जो है नीचे ये आपको लगाना है सफिक्सेस, टीच का टीचर, बायोलॉजी का बायोलॉजिस्ट, इस तरीके से जो है वो आपके कुछ फिल हैं उसको आपको फिल कर लेना है. सो इसके साथ अगर आगे देखें सो यस आगे भी कुछ है. डिस्क्राइब एन इमेजिनरी मर्डर यूजिंग द पैसिव वॉइस. आपको पैसिव वॉइस का यूज़ करना है. एक आपको कर दिखाया है, एक आपको करना है. सो आपके सामने फिल है, नहीं सही से अगर दिखेगा तो मैं इसको जो है वो यहाँ पे लिख करके मेंशन कर दूँगी, आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख जाएगा. सो इसी के साथ ये जो है कंप्लीट होता है. फिर मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करना है, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, कमेंट करके अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर से शेयर करना है. सो वंस अगेन जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.